Many of those we meet say their relatives weren't killed in the blast, but by firing in the confusion afterwards. They believe by foreign soldiers.
Somehow I saw the American soldier, and beside this there were Turkish soldiers. So the fire come from the bridges, like the towers.
From the soldiers?
Yeah, from the soldiers.
America's Department of Defense didn't reply to our request for comment.
The guy has served U.S. Army for years, and the reason he lost his life. He wasn't killed by Taliban, he wasn't killed by ISIS.
How can you be sure?
Because of the bullet. The bullet went inside of his head, next to right here, near to his ear. He doesn't have any injury.